Please don't get upset if the people you help don't appreciate your help. Because you know what? The elephant will not move unless they want to. Think about this. Can you push the elephant if the elephant does not want to move? No. The elephant wants to move by itself before it moves. So people like us who have so much to give, we cannot keep helping people who don't want to be helped because we will waste our energy. Instead of this wasted energy, focus on ourselves, our desires, our goals, and focus on everything we can do to make our life a fulfilled life. You matter the most. And if you like this video, show me some love, share this, like my page, follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and IG.